Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to remove anything from a photo using Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now, right-click on the image layer and click on Duplicate Layer option. Select the polygonal lasso tool, then start selecting the object that you want to remove. Once the selection is done, then right-click and click on Fill option. Here, select Content Aware option, then hit OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Still the patches doesn't look good. So, now select the patch tool, and then start selecting the patched area. After selection, just pick and move the selection where you think the texture is similar. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Keep repeating this process using Patch tool until you get the better results. See the before and after image. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.